Ate Daa Online Tutor!
Hi kids! Here is a fun song to help you learn the days of the week. Mother Hen is going to sing it for us. Let's listen. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the days of the week. Now, repeat after Mother Hen. Here we go. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Great job! Now, let's sing it quietly. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Well done! Now, let's try it really loud. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Fantastic! Now, let's sing it really fast. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday,
Salamat mga bata sa pakikinig. Sana ay marami kayo natutunan. Huwag kalimutang mag-like, subscribe, and click the notification bell para updated kayo. Thank you for watching!